In Feng Shui, water is related to money. Images of waterfalls helps us to connect with the never-ending flow of universal abundance. Feng Shui waterfalls for money are kept on the same wall that has the front entrance. It should look like the water is coming into the house and not going out. Hi friends, this is Nora. Welcome to my channel Nora's Gallery. In today's video, I'll be showing you a miniature waterfall with seashells. If you like this video, please support me by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon and by liking and commenting your suggestions. I wish you all a joyous, prosperous and peaceful new year.